In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to animate text word by word in After Effects. Let's begin. First, click on the type tool and create your text layer. I'm just gonna type in, for example, please like and subscribe. And then after you've done that, you can customize the text as much as you want using these panels. But I'm just gonna align it in the center. But to start working on the animation, expand this arrow over here, click on animate, then click on position. After that, click on this add button and choose the option opacity to click on. Now increase the second position value to 100, and as you can see the text moves slightly downwards, and that's what we want because when the animation plays, the text will move upwards into place. Wow, that rhymed. Now set the opacity to 0% and don't panic when your text vanishes off the screen. Expand range selector 1 and then drag the offset settings value to -100 and create a keyframe for the starting point of the timeline. Move the playhead a few seconds forward and then increase the offset value to 100. This is how everything looks so far. So next up, expand the advanced section, click on based on, and then click on words. Also click on the shape setting and set it to ramp up. Great, and then after that you can increase the ease high value to something like 40 or 50, and the ease low value to 100. If you are confused on what these little settings do, the ease high controls how smoothly the animation slows down at the end, while the ease low controls how smoothly it starts at the beginning. Finally, scroll up and activate motion blur for your animation. This is optional, but you can find this little box by toggling switches/modes, and then you can check this box to get the motion blur. And that's how you create this animation. But hold your horses. If you want to add this effect onto other text layers quickly without doing all of this, first, save this animation as a preset. Click on Animator 1, and then tap the animation window, and click on Save Preset. Name it word by word text, for example, and save it on your computer. And then with your new text layer being selected, click on the animation window, and then Apply Preset, and then click on the preset you have saved. And that's how you apply the same effect to other sentences in your project. Leave a like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Click on the hype button to help this video with the algorithm a little bit. That would be much appreciated. And feel free to watch this next tutorial.